Okay, now we're going to read another excerpt from the article Civil War Medicine, and this one is called Amputation. Before I read this excerpt, I would like to share with you the glossary that's at the bottom. So please look at the bottom of your slide. Number 5, amputation, the act of cutting off a body part through surgery. Number 6, fit synonymously with, which means be impossible to separate from. 7 is the word limb. A limb is a leg or an arm of a person or animal. Number 8, hemorrhage. Hemorrhage means great loss of blood. And number 9 is mortality rate. A mortality rate is a measure of the number of deaths. So now I'm going to read the excerpt Amputation from the article A Civil War Medicine. Amputation. It is the one thing that seems to fit synonymously with Civil War medicine. Often spoke of as a needless procedure that cost an otherwise healthy young man a limb, the reality is that though the stories about the piles of limbs present in many field hospitals during battle are true, the procedure was life-saving. There are over 50,000 cases of amputations recorded for the war. The procedure was the quickest solution for a limb shattered beyond recognition, or the best chance against infection and hemorrhage that could take the soldier's life later. In fact, if an amputation took place within the first 24 hours, the soldier's chances of dying were a mere 27%. If performed later, the mortality rate jumped to 52%. Sometimes it was the simple fact of sacrificing the limb to rescue the man. Please head to the next slide to answer a text-dependent question about amputation.